When you're working with installing software in the context of Anaconda, there are two so-called package managers that you're typically going to use, and these are going to enable you to install what are known as packages. These are basically bundles of software that represent a given library or tool that you'd like to add to your Python distribution. Now, there are two key package managers that you'll encounter throughout these videos. You already saw in the preceding video the Conda package manager, and that package manager is not only going to enable you to install additional software, as you'll see in various later lessons, but it also is going to be the tool that you use to manage Anaconda from the command line to do things like create custom Anaconda environments, which are important, for example, for reproducibility, or to add and remove those environments, activate those environments, and also install and remove software as well. There's also one called pip, and you'll use both of these because in the case of pip, more packages are available through pip than are currently available through Conda. Now, in general, we're going to use Conda whenever possible. So anytime you want to install a new library or tool into the Anaconda Python distribution, one of the nice things about doing that with Conda is it's going to check everything else that you've previously installed with Conda, check the dependencies among those items, and only perform the install if the dependencies are correct. On the other hand, there are some things that you simply cannot install with Conda, in which case we will typically use pip. Now, some people do prefer to just use pip all the time because of the fact that it supports more packages. What I would recommend is trying Conda first if we give you such an instruction. If Conda does not work for any reason, then you would go ahead and use pip instead, and that's the approach that we took throughout our writing effort as well.